अरे वाह ये जी देखो जी यहाँ खाली
Congratulations, Oregon Iron still with 48-48.
ये जी सारा समंदर है अभी यहाँ देखो पार्टी हो रही है
Certainly thrilling to watch all of the races today. Some of you may know that Dragon Boat finds its roots in southern China some 2,000 years ago, right? And now Hong Kong is home to the modern competitive Dragon Boat races. We draw teams from all over the world to come to the beautiful shores of Hong Kong to compete every year in some of the world's largest Dragon Boat races.
यहाँ पार्टी हो रही है ये सब लोग
So
कैसे
we're very
भैया
excited to share this really exciting piece of our culture with you today. I'm also
ये सारे
excited to
गोरे
share
हैं
some
यहाँ
exciting news with you. Hong Kong is once again welcoming tourists without any quarantine requirements whatsoever. And we're very excited to welcome visitors to our many amazing attractions, including some of the ones that we've been working on during the pandemic, including the M+ Museum of Visual Culture and the Hong Kong Palace Museum. The Hong Kong Palace Museum features 900 pieces of priceless treasures coming straight from Beijing. Many of them have never been displayed in public before. Yes, thank you. Hong Kong is also home to some of the largest world sporting festivals. We're once again hosting the Hong Kong Rugby Sevens at the beginning of November after a 3.5-year hiatus. So we're very excited about that. Ladies and gentlemen, that was just a brief taste of all that Hong Kong has to offer. If you would like to learn more, please visit our booth back there today or tomorrow. We'll still be here. Last but not least, I want to offer my sincere thanks to Fiona, Tana, and all of the marshals for all of the work that they do. We at the Hong Kong Economic and Trade Office in Dubai really look forward to making this into an annual flagship event so that we can continue to share with you all that Hong Kong has to offer. Thank you very much, and good luck to all the teams. Thank you.
Okay. Oh, I feel like I'm at the Oscars. Okay, DJ Kids is really picking this up. So, So we're going to start. We'd like to say a big thank you to the Community Cup teams. There are novice teams and it's always great to see new talent coming in. In final B, we're going to acknowledge Cortex that came in at 1 minute 10:47 in third place. Nice big smile.
Even he's changed his schedule now. Yeah, he's quit note. Yeah, he joined schedule. He got a job. 1 year ago. Planning logistics.
Big thank you. And of course to MediClinic that keep us safe and help you with all those bruises and cuts. And to our caffeine provider Costa that's been keeping me caffeinated, so I'm nice to everybody, so thank you Costa. And a big thank you to all the marshals. Without them this event wouldn't happen. So a big thank you to Tana, Paul, Rod, Jason, Tommy, all the guys and all of our helps. Come on!
Hi, how are you, brother? ये देखो भाई यहाँ मुझे यहाँ पर देखो से पार्टी हो रही है.
हाय अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, क्या हाल चाल है? कोशिश तो गलत की गई है। यहाँ दुबई में शो हो रहा है, देखो ये यहाँ एक टीम है लेबर है। एक पार्टी से जीत गई है, दूसरा आप जीत गया। एंजॉय हो रहा है यहाँ। ये यहाँ से पार्टी हो रही है इन लोगों की, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं।